Greetings, fellow detectives, and welcome to Boiler Room Detective. The case of the jumpered safety controls. A friend who worked for the local gas utility company called and asked me to accompany him to a customer's building. I agreed and we met the following day. He drove and we talked on the way. The customer, a small hospital, was behind on paying their gas bills. He hoped I could suggest a way to lower their gas consumption. We arrived a short while later and entered the building. The maintenance director met us in the lobby and escorted us to the boiler room. Inside the boiler room, we met the maintenance tech. Tom showed me the old accompany Type C fire tube boilers with a dry combustion chamber enclosed in fire brick. The burner fired into the base. The hot flue gases entered the horizontal fire tubes and out the chimney. The first thing I noticed was the cover off the front of a 4x4 electrical box mounted on the boiler, and the wires were pulled out. This always sets off my spidey sense. I asked what steam pressure they were set for, and he told me 100 psi. I had a good idea what we could do to help them reduce costs, and Tom and I walked to meet the maintenance director and my friend from the gas company. "Well, what are you thinking?" the maintenance director asked. I gave them a couple of options. In the middle of the conversation, Tom excused himself and said, "I gotta start the boiler." Gotta start the boiler? It's automatic, I thought. Out of the corner of my eye, I saw Tom open the two doors to the firebox. By this time, I was paying attention to Tom and not the others. He picked up a straw broom, lit the bristles on fire, opened a manual 3-inch gas valve. He reached inside the combustion chamber with the burning broom, and I heard a loud whoosh. Flame shot out the doors a few feet, and Tom was safely positioned to the side behind the door. The other two people turned to see what the noise was. Tom dropped the broom to the floor and stomped on it, putting the fire out. He saw the three of us in shock looking at him. "Dang flame safeguard is defective," Tom said with a broad smile. "So what did you do?" I asked. "These things are expensive. We can't spend no money, so I jumped them," he said, proud of his innovative solution. "Jumped them?" I asked. "Yep, when we need steam, I open the doors and the gas valve, stick the broom inside, and off we go," Tom said. You can't run it that way." "What about the other boiler?" I asked. "That one ain't run for years," he said. I turned to look at the other two for backing on this. "Tom's been able to keep us going during these tough times," the maintenance director said. I looked at the gas company rep. He was ashen-faced and said, "We should go." We thanked the on-site people and walked outside. In his car, he said, "I'm recommending they shut the gas off for non-payment. This place is a catastrophe waiting to happen." It was scary seeing how he lit the boiler, I admitted. "I'm not sure what's worse. They didn't know how dangerous that was, or they knew it was dangerous and willing to do it. Our risk analysis people would flip out if they knew what was going on here," the rep said. I heard the hospital shut down shortly after our visit. Thank God. If you would like to contact me, my contact information is here. In addition, I have my two websites. The Brewing with Steam site has monthly blog posts on steam systems for breweries and distilleries. I have written 11 books on boilers, and they are available on Amazon. In addition, you could find some of my writings in these fine publications. Thanks for stopping by Boiler Room Detective, and I hope to see you on the next case.